Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. As Christmas is near, so we will talk about Santa Claus, which is also known as Saint Nicholas. Father Christmas or simply Santa is one of the most beloved figures of the holiday season, representing joy, generosity and goodwill. Santa embodies the spirit of giving and the magic of Christmas. His jolly demeanor, iconic red suit, and flying reindeer have made him a universal figure of holiday cheer. But behind the modern image lies a rich and fascinating history that spans centuries. History of Santa Claus. The origin of Santa Claus traces back to Saint Nicholas of Myra, a 4th century Christian bishop known for his generosity and miracles. Born in modern day Turkey, Saint Nicholas became famous for secretly helping the needy, including a story where he left gold coins in stockings. Over time, his legend spread across Europe and he became the patron saint of children and sailors. In the 19th century, the modern image of Santa evolved, particularly in the United States, influenced by the Dutch legend of Sinterklaas and popularized by Clement Clarke Moore's poem A Visit from Saint Nicholas, 1823. Santa was depicted as a plump, cheerful man who delivers gifts to children on Christmas Eve. Later, Coca-Cola advertisement in the 1930s helped cement the image of the red-suited Santa we know today. 20 interesting facts about Santa Claus. Real-life inspiration. Saint Nicholas, the real inspiration for Santa, was born in Patara, Turkey around 280 AD. Feast Day. Saint Nicholas Feast Day is celebrated on December 6, especially in Europe. Name evolution. Santa Claus comes from the Dutch Sinterklaas, a shortened form of Saint Nicholas. Home address. In modern lore, Santa lives at the North Pole, though some European traditions place him in Lapland, Finland. Reindeer names. His reindeer include Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, and Rudolph. Rudolph's origin. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer was created in 1939 as a promotional character for a department store. Chimney entry. The idea of Santa coming down chimneys came from Norse mythology and European folklore. Naughty or nice list. The concept of Santa judging children's behavior dates back to Saint Nicholas' reputation as a moral guide. Red suit. Santa's red and white suit become iconic thanks to Coca-Cola advertisements but existed earlier in illustrations. Global variations. In some cultures, Santa is accompanied by helpers like Krampus or Peer who deal with naughty children. World traveler. Santa visits around 400 million children worldwide on Christmas Eve. Speed of travel. Santa would need to travel over 1,800 miles per second to reach every home in one night. Cookies tradition. Leaving cookies and milk for Santa became popular in the United States during the Great Depression as a gesture of gratitude. Letters to Santa. The tradition of writing letters to Santa started in the 19th century. Santa's helpers. Santa is often depicted with elves who make toys in his workshop. Santa tracker. NORAD began tracking Santa's journey in 1955 as a result of a happy accident involving a misprinted phone number. Santa Claus Parade. The first Santa Claus Parade was held in 1905 in Canada. Maritime Santa. In some coastal regions, Santa arrives by boat instead of a sleigh. Guinness World Record. Santa holds the record for most recognized fictional character globally. Astronaut Santa. Santa has even been depicted delivering presents to astronauts in space in holiday-themed TV specials. Santa's family. While Santa is often depicted as a solitary figure during his Christmas duties, he is married to Mrs. Claus, who is just as beloved in holiday lore. Mrs. Claus is portrayed as a kind-hearted woman who helps manage the elves and oversees operations at the North Pole. Though there are no historical roots for Mrs. Claus, her character began appearing in the literature in the mid-19th century and has since become an integral part of Santa's story. Santa families also includes his elves and reindeers, who are essential to his mission of delivering joy. In the end, I would like to say that Santa Claus is more than just a mythical figure. He represents the timeless values of generosity, kindness, and the joy of giving. From his historical origins as Saint Nicholas to his modern portrayal as the jolly figure in Red Santa has captivated the hearts of people around the world. Whether seen as a cultural icon, a symbol of childhood wonder, or a bringer of holiday magic, Santa Claus remains an enduring figure of Christmas joy. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.